Out of me and her, which one look like we have a higher body count? Me?
Yeah, you.
Why?
Cause the girl them are normally freaky. Normally look like you.
Look.
Like a poor.
First time boss.
Continue.
All you want to give me answer. All you want to do you know I want you?
What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and I am back with another video, and today, as you can see, I have
Shanida
with me. So we're going to be doing a public interview and we're gonna ask the people them who they think has more bodies, me or Shanida. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Which one of us seems like we have more bodies, as in
Bodies, oh.
yeah.
Which one?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Probably she.
Why?
I don't know. Why? You have a piece of shape where I work for you.
So that means you have more.
That's my opinion, that's still.
Okay, thank you. Out of me and her, which one looks like we have more bodies? Who has more? You guys. Why?
Should I
Don't even say because you're she. Because you're not even just say. You don't make sense.
What do you think, Gaga?
I'm undecided, bro.
You have to choose.
Yes, a she though.
Yeah, probably she. Yeah.
Why is a she?
That's what body, you know? So I would call him again. I like Shannon thing there, that's so, yeah?
Well, alright, and you look like how have more bodies.
I would say you.
Why?
You just look like that type of person.
I look like that type of person?
That's my reason. Yeah, can say that is.
Alright. Which one of us look like we have more bodies? Like who have more? Why?
Actually, I get, like sharp, but over. So I have a little crack up on him.
Alright. Which one of we look like we have more bodies? She. Why? Kashitika. Me tired of the disrespect. Me tired of the disrespect. Thank you. That's all I want to say, she? Little and bad, my friend. Thank you.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Which one of us seems like we have more bodies? As in, who has me?
Angela say a blue skirt.
No, that's not the question.
A blue skirt, do it.
A black jeans, do it.
With blue skirt.
A black jeans,
Which
do it.
one are we? I think.
Oh, how's it? Oh. Missionary, she don't.
That's not the question. So she. Okay.
Why?
No.
What's
I'll
the-
ask the question.
The question was which is right?
Question is, which one out of two seem like we have more bodies?
Bodies.
As in, who has more?
I don't, you see, alright. People call me sexist and I don't really want to answer this question.
Answer the question.
You.
What? Me?
Yeah.
Why?
That's always the shy and the innocent ones that, you know.
True. True. That's true. I agree.
Well then, that's a second one for me. Alright, fine. We think has more bodies.
Body cool. Mother said Shelby. Like for real, she look like she can't mash on. You know what?
I'm a hoe.
Don't change it, come.
I'm a hoe. What do you think?
I disagree.
Are you
Why I think it's her?
I just want to go against the king.
Oh, you want to go? Okay. Sure. I'll just... Sure. Out of me and her, which one look like we have a higher body count? Me?
Yeah, you.
Why?
Cause the girl them are normally freaky. Normally look like you.
Look.
Like a poor.
First time boss.
The count and why?
May the boys answer.
Oh, so we really have this now. Yo, which better answer? Whatever you answer, we agree with it. Whatever.
Right.
I would say you.
Me?
Yes.
Why?
I guess the piercing suggests like suggests that you're adventurous.
That's weird.
Maybe.
That's weird.
Think she's
Yo.
Yeah, I feel that she.
Yo.
No. She not say nothing since.
Alright, let me give my
That kind of.
Okay.
No man.
But I say you. You seem quiet.
Exactly.
I see him today.
Exactly what I was thinking.
Silent was running very deep, my friend.
I see him today.
This is a never answer.
Thank you, guys. So, out of the two, who do you think have a higher body count? You know what body count mean?
Yes.
Alright.
What I told you?
Mm-hmm. And why? I know I have no body that no say.
What I said. Wait, I said. What I said she, you know.
No, alright, why?
Wait, what I said. What I said she, you know.
You drive me that situation.
When I drive me, I don't know. What I said she. Why? What would I say? She's the one.
What you would have said?
You would have said.
Well, hello. Cover for answer first.
Alright, so why?
Why? Well, me and your friend not Shelby.
Answer the king, man. I don't feel no way about it.
Yeah, alright, what you know? Me nah say your shit. Me nah. Alright, me and your friend, you know.
Come if you got this, you just this me.
No, me nah this your brother. Cause me and your friend.
You're not your pastor.
You're pretty, you know. Everything, you know. You're that girl, you know. But you know, sexy, you see it. Yeah, I just that.
I just that.
Yeah, that's that.
Alright, I don't feel no way.
So I say a she.
Yeah.
So what you want to say? Same reasoning too?
I could Shelby still, you know.
Anyways, what you say? Same thing? Come!
That's a she.
She'll be a killer.
Yeah, so that's why I never want you see me.
She will go with this thing.
Alright. Alright, guys. There you have it. It's not me.
Yeah, no feel
Oh, I feel
yeah, no
I don't feel weird. Right. I don't feel weird.
We switch more then.
No, I'm a good man.
Shelby. Far from there.
Alright. I'm saying me alright.
We don't care same way. Look, I will never see you. Shelby, I'm a killer, you know.
What Shelby know? Shelby killer.
Listen me. Far from.
Yeah, watch your face.
Listen me. We don't care same way.
Alright. Thanks later. So, the question I have is, who do you think has a higher body count?
Women or men?
No. Out of me,
Oh.
out of me or her?
By looks?
Just guess man.
I would say, would I say probably she?
Why?
Because I don't really know her, and she looks like she look bad, you know. Yeah, you don't really look the bad type, you know.
Thank you.
I'm right though, right?
I don't know. Anyways. Okay, so clearly if you're seeing our faces again like this, that means we've been done. And it's Shanida. Clearly, by the press, she has a higher body count. And does she really?
I do not. but I don't know.
We don't know. We really don't know, to be honest. But does she? And what the reason why them get it really don't make no sense to me, but hey.
It don't make no sense to me either.
At least I'm not me.
I never want to be me.
Anyways, so yeah.
Alright.
Have you
So
done?
hold on. I have to plug my channel.
Yeah.
So guys, Shelby, I gonna put the link to my channel in the description and follow me on Instagram at Shanida. She can put it somewhere right here. So yeah.
Thank you. And don't forget to like, comment,
share, and subscribe. Everything.
all of that. Until next time.
Bye. Wait on me.
Seashells.